this is the Glory Eternal Star ST-001 Supreme Evolution Armament Tactical Series 1/99.9 scale plastic model. Okay, it's like a 1/100. So it has a different kind of gimmicks because this Glory is your Stargazer. Yep, the Stargazer on it's a OVA. It's like OVA or it's sequel or prequel of the Gundam Seed. Yep, and yeah, very nice. So this is the kit on its form in the box. Yeah, very nice, like there. And then this is on the side, the Glory. Then it has